What's up, y'all? It's your boy, I'm back. Happy Sunday. Today I'm gonna be talking about my two favorite products I use for my truck. So this is the first one. It's the same brand, pretty much. Turtle Wax, that's the brand. So this is what I use to clean the inside. And then this is what I use to clean the outside. You guys can see it's the same exact brand. So what I want to talk about with these two products is I've been using this for a long time. Like when I first got my first car, that's when I really discovered this product. And this is not like a sponsorship, whatever, this and that. And I'm just being 100% honest with, like, I tried out a bunch of different products. If you like me and you like to, when you clean your car, you like to see your car stay clean, or truck, whatever you have, especially the inside, like your dashboard and stuff like that. Because sometimes, like, I like seeing my dashboard nice and shiny and clean instead of dust and stuff sitting on it. So first thing first, I want to say, man, it's a beautiful day today in PA. It's not too cold, not too hot. Today is about 60 right now. We've been having a nice couple few days. It is springtime, so it is really nice. And so you guys, I'm probably gonna be uploading this tomorrow, probably Tuesday. So I'm not gonna upload today, but I'm gonna edit and post it probably. The goal is to post tomorrow. So first thing first, what I want to talk about, I'm gonna talk about this one first. I'm gonna talk about the smaller one, the one in the small bottle. So I'm pretty sure most people should know this product and they should know about it. Like it's definitely it's definitely a 5-star product and stuff like that. It's not one of them cheap little products that you can use where it will wear off within a few days or something like that. This actually stays on. Like this is definitely like a plus for me. And what I want to talk about is that you could probably, these two right here combined is pretty much, that's like less than $20, I'd say. Like you could get it from AUTOZONE, you could get it from Walmart, you probably could get those from Dollar General, I believe. I got these from AUTOZONE, so I spent less than $20. So less than $20, you could probably, like, you only gotta pay like somebody to detail your car or whatever this is. This is where these two products come in. Like Turtle Wax, anything that got Turtle Wax brand, I'm be honest with y'all, definitely to me, overall, it's like one of the best products I ever used on any vehicle I own in the past, even my truck now. It's like overall the best product. And the reason why I'm saying this is because number one, this is not no cheap product. It's not expensive, it's not cheap, so it's like in the middle. So this is something that I know most people probably use. If you like me, like I said before, if you like to clean your car, this and that, and not try to spend probably $150 to $200 trying to get somebody else to detail your car or do whatever with it. And like, I like using this product to clean the inside of my car because like this stuff really works. Like it really stays on. It give it that nice little like shiny texture. And some products I used before in the past, I don't know if you guys had the same experience before, but some products you use to like clean your dashboard and stuff like that, one of the things that I hate, that I can't stand, is when you use like a product to clean the inside of your, like an interior cleaner like this, to clean the inside of your car. Sometimes they leave, like, it gets really nice and clean, shiny, but sometimes like when you trying to grab your steering wheel or grab your door handle and stuff like that, like it's really like kind of slippery or stuff like that. And it's really kind of slippery, and me, I don't like that feeling. Like that kind of, I don't know. I just don't like that feeling. But this overall for me, like this is what I use. I've been using this for the longest, and I definitely say if you haven't, which I doubt, I say most people probably use this product and know about it, because it's not it's not one of them cheap products that's on the sideline and stuff like that. It's definitely like a go-to product for a lot of people. And then the second one I want to talk about this. So this is like a 2-in-1 pretty much. It's wax and dry. So pretty much, let's say you go to the car wash, you don't have to have a perfect paint job or whatever, this and that. You even gotta have any kind of whatever, like the paint protector on your car. You don't even need that. Like, you could just wash your car regularly with soap and water. And then the best thing about this, you don't gotta, like some products and stuff I know I used in the past, like you have to dry your car off, like stuff. You have to dry your car off. With this, I use it plenty of time. Plus, it tells you could use it when you're you can use this product when you pretty much just got done washing your car and still have water on there. That's the best thing about this. I like, you spray it on there and it works. Same thing, pretty much you could dry your car off, spray it on there, and it works too. But I feel like overall for me, I feel like, just from my experience, maybe it's just me, but I feel like when a car has like fluids and like have water on there and you use this, it works best, you know? It doesn't dry out fast, it helps it spread. So those are like my two best products I say that I use to pretty much clean my car. And you don't gotta spend over $100, whatever this and that. If you're trying to save yourself some money, and definitely, you know, I recommend, if you haven't used this before, definitely use this, like, because this is a must. I know a lot of people know about this though, because it's been around for a while. But just to be speaking, like most products, like some products you use them, some products you can't even use. Like, you gotta be able to wipe your car down. You know, when you just got done washing your car, you gotta wipe it down and then spray it on. Or you can't even use it in the direct sun. Like this you could use in the sun. Like, you use it in the sun and it works fine. So I've been using this for about a few years now, I say. Not just on this truck I have, but one of the best things too, like when you wax your car with this, when it rains, like your car will stay like it'll kind of look like you have some kind of, you know, protection wrap and stuff on there. You guys know what I'm talking about. You know how when you have your car wrapped a certain way with like plastic on top of it to protect the paint, and you sprinkle water or whatever, this and that, you see how the water just slide right off. Pretty much this is exactly what this does. That's how it is. And the only downside about it is that after like a few days, when, you know, because obviously I have a lifted truck and I have 14 wires on my car, so my car never stayed clean. Like, I just cleaned my car like a few days ago, so I have like 2 weeks. I wouldn't say a few days, but 2 weeks ago. So like when you using that product, it's like for some reason it attract a lot of dirt over time. Like, a lot of dirt will get on your car built up. But this is only my thing. I'm just saying this because it's probably only because I think it's because I have 14 wires on my car. You know, my tires are sticking outside of my fender, so all that dirt that's supposed to be, you know, going underneath the fender, everything is getting pushed up on the side. So I probably just say I wouldn't really say it's from this. I probably just say 9 times out of 10 it's from like my wide wheels on my truck. But that's you know, that's what I want to talk about, guys. Like, that's like those are the two best products I say. For under $20, you can get from AutoZone, you can get from Walmart, you can get from Advanced Auto, you can get from any kind of parts store, whatever this and that, for your cars, truck, whatever. Those are the best two. I recommend you definitely be 100% honest, man. I know for a fact most people know about this product, but in all honesty, like, out of all the products that's out there, I say I haven't tried them all, but me speaking from experience, you know, using this for years and years with different vehicles, I say definitely this is like my number one top favorite right here. I like this product, and it definitely does what it needs to do to my vehicle. So let me know what you guys think. Comment, subscribe, whatever. Peace out. Like, you guys could see, this is like an issue I have. Like, I got dirt pretty much on everything. But you could tell that's from the tires though. You could tell that's from the tires. I got dirt going all the way in the back. It's definitely from the tires, because I cleaned this car like 2 weeks ago. I know it been a little bit of time, and it rained yesterday. So, you know what I'm saying? But the front, you can see the front still look nice and clean. But like most of the dirt I'm talking about is on the side. So that's mainly from my tires and stuff. So That's the only thing about it. So it's not the product. I'll be honest with y'all. It's not.